Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Xenia and today I'm back with another review video of the Lakme Rose Powder with sunscreen. That is the best part. Now, let me talk about the pricing of this product. It retails for rupees 150 for 40 grams of product, but you will always find this product at a discount online from the Nykaa website as well. I got it for rupees 115 from the Nykaa website. 113 or 115 from the Nykaa website for 40 rupees. Now let me talk to you about the shade. Now there are two shades available for this product. One is shade 01, that is soft pink for light skin, and the next one is shade 02, warm pink for wheatish to dark skin. So this is one negative point, that it does not have too many shades. It just has two shades, and that's it. So I wish that it would have had more shades. Now let me talk about the packaging. This is a dark brown packaging, and in golden it is written Lakme Rose Powder with sunscreen. The packaging is very travel friendly and sturdy. You have to open it like this, and then comes the sponge, and apart from the sponge you will find another transparent lid, and you have to open the lid. Guys, it is extremely travel friendly. The lid is not opening. Finally it opened. This is the lid. It has got a few holes in it, you can see. And here comes the powder. Oh, I'm so sorry, I dropped some of it. So here comes the powder. So let me just talk about the smell. The smell is extremely good. It is extremely soft. It is like rose pink. The color is like, sorry, rose. It has the color of sweet scent of roses. The smell is too good. And the texture, as you can see, it is extremely soft. Very soft texture. I'll give a swatch at the back of my hand. This is the swatch, and it blends in very easily with the skin. As you can see, it has blended totally into my skin. It gives a very sheer coverage. It does not give medium to heavy coverage, but it gives a very sheer coverage. So you can use it on top of your concealer to bake. You can use it as a compact powder. You can use it as a translucent powder. And guys, and for those people who do not like to use much makeup, who do not use BB cream, CC cream or foundation, they can definitely use it on their bare face and go out. It can be used every day by them, and on top of it, it also has sunscreen, which is a plus point. And the only negative point, really negative point, which I found is it contains paraben, and that is really harmful. So apart from the paraben part, this product is a full yay, guys. It is a full yay, and you can definitely go and buy this product. I really wish it would have had a few more shades, and it would not have parabens in it. Apart from that, it is a great product. I would definitely suggest you guys to go for this product, and especially you can buy it online to get even more discount. And the shelf life is 36 months, I already told you. And anything else, no, that's it. It's a good product. You can I definitely recommend this product to everybody out there. I hope you found this video helpful, and please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and comment below in the comment section how you liked my video. And if you have any video requests, please let me know that as well in the comment section. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.